Good morning. Class 10. It is equally important for other classes as well. Unit 4 Heat Tap. I already said heat means heating and cooling both. Part 2. Here I am going to write down some short and long questions. Question number 1 is which was asked. Sometimes it can be asked that mention the normal human body temperature in three scales. तीनटा स्केलमा हाम्रो here normal human body temperature means healthy of a healthy person in three scale. The answer is you have to write the complete sentence. The normal or healthy human body temperature is number I degree centigrade. In centigrade 47 degree centigrade. Fahrenheit 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and Kelvin scale 310 Kelvin. In the same way you can also change into Reaumur. The normal human body temperature is either 37 degrees Celsius, 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, or 310 Kelvin. This is a short question for question number 1. Question number 2 is name or mention two thermometric substances. It is also equally important for classes 8, 9 and 7. Name two thermometric substances. Also mention their boiling and freezing points. त्यसको उम्लने बिन्दु र जम्ने बिन्दु पनि पत्ता लगाउँछ. कुन दुईटा सब्स्टेन्सहरू युज गरिन्छ थर्मोमिटरमा. A thermometer is a non-living thing, so it does not do anything itself. It needs some energy, some substances to help it do its work. Two thermometric liquids. Two thermometric liquids are substances are mercury and alcohol. Mercury and alcohol. Boiling point and freezing point. For this purpose I am writing here mercury boils at 357 degrees centigrade and freezes at minus 39 degrees centigrade. Remember, mercury boils at 357 degrees centigrade, underline it, and freezes at minus 39 degrees centigrade. Means boiling point is 357 degrees Celsius and freezing point is minus 39 degrees Celsius. In the same way, alcohol boils at 78 degrees Celsius and freezes at minus 117 degrees Celsius. See, the freezing point is very low. This data shows that mercury is suitable to use in a hot country to measure high temperature, whereas alcohol is used to measure very low temperature. Two questions. The same way, I'm going to write down some other questions. Name 3 thermometric scales. Here, question number 3. Question number 3. Name 3, or you can write even 4. 4 thermometric scale. But generally, you write 3 only. 3 thermometric scales. Also, mention their lower and upper fixed points. यसको नामबाटै प्रश्न छ, लोअर फिक्स पोइन्ट र अप्पर फिक्स पोइन्ट. यसलाई अलिकति बुझ्नको लागि फर क्लास 8, लोअर फिक्स पोइन्ट इज द टेम्परेचर एट विच प्योर आइस मेल्ट्स. प्योर आइस मेल्ट्स एट स्ट्यान्डर्ड प्रेसर. स्ट्यान्डर्ड प्रेसरमा आइस कुन बेला मेल्ट हुन्छ, बरफ कुन बेला जम्छ, पग्लिन्छ, त्यसलाई लोअर फिक्स पोइन्ट भनिन्छ. अप्पर फिक्स पोइन्ट, द अप्पर फिक्स पोइन्ट इज द फिक्स टेम्परेचर एट विच प्योर वाटर बोइल्स एट स्ट्यान्डर्ड प्रेसर. शुद्ध पानी कुन बेला उम्लिन्छ, त्यसलाई अप्पर फिक्स पोइन्ट भनिन्छ. यसकै आधारबाट थर्मोमिटर बनाइन्छ. नेम 3 thermometric scales. Also mention their lower and upper fixed points. See, it is better to write down not in a sentence but in a 3 thermometric scales. Thermometric scales. Here, upper fixed point, and lower fixed point LFP. It's better to write down in this way. First one is Celsius. Celsius scale. See, Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and or it is also called centigrade. Centigrade scale. In the centigrade scale, what is the upper fixed point? 100 degree Celsius, and lower fixed point 0 degree Celsius. Range 0 to 100 degree Celsius. Fahrenheit scale. It is also called Celsius. CLSIUS. Celsius scale. It is also called Celsius only. Fahrenheit scale. 32 degree Fahrenheit lower fixed point. 212 degree Fahrenheit is upper fixed point. In the same way, Kelvin scale. 373 Kelvin upper fixed point, 273 Kelvin lower fixed point. Here 100 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, upper and lower. Fahrenheit 212 degree Fahrenheit, 32 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale 373 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. What is the difference? के फरक देखियो भने Kelvin scale मा डिग्री लेखिँदैन. That is wrong. If you write 373 degree Kelvin, this is wrong. 273 degree Kelvin is wrong. Remember how it is wrong. Degree Kelvin लेखिँदैन. Degree Kelvin is mistake, wrong. So don't write. Question number 3. Very short question. Another short question is question number 4. Here question number 4 is see mention the ranges. Mention the ranges. Mention the ranges of different thermometers which are specified. Here different thermometers भन्नाले कुन कुन थर्मोमिटरमा हुन्छ त्यो तल दिएको हुन्छ. For example, question number 4 is written again. Question number 4, mention ranges of number 1 clinical thermometer. It is also called doctor thermometer. Clinical is also called doctor thermometer. Another is, here I have written some questions. Clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, digital. Laboratory or ordinary or simple. Thermometer. And another is digital thermometer. इसको रेंज कहाँदेखि कहाँसम्म हुन्छ? The answer is number 1 clinical thermometer or clinical, also called doctor thermometer. Doctorally use गरेर thermometer ranges from 37 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Centigrade, 37 degree centigrade to 42 degree centigrade to measure human body temperature. Minimum 94 degree Fahrenheit, very low fever, to 108 degree Fahrenheit, which is maximum fever. Clinical. And laboratory thermometer, laboratory thermometer, another name is ordinary or simple. Don't be confused. Laboratory thermometer like ordinary thermometer, simple thermometer भनिन्छ. A laboratory thermometer ranges from -10 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade. Another, the last part today is a digital thermometer which uses with thermistor. See, a new word, THERMISTOR, thermistor, which is related to heat. With thermistor ranges from, here I have written, it ranges from -220 degree centigrade to 850 degree centigrade. Very low, -210 degree centigrade to 850 degree Celsius. यसको रेन्ज चाहिँ यसरी लेखिन्छ. क्लिनिकल थर्मोमिटर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस टु 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 94 डिग्री Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Laboratory thermometer minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Digital thermometer minus 220 degree Celsius to 850 degree Celsius. And here relation, write the relation among four. The last question for today here, space is not enough. Question number 5, last for today is it is not necessary to establish, or sometimes it can be asked, establish the relationship among rumor, Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scales. Isma, you convert. This is very important for numerical problems. To solve numerical problems. Solution. Let R for rumor scale, which ranges from 0 degree rumor to 80 degree rumor. इसको रेंजहरु थाहा पाऊँ. R for rumor, C for Celsius, ranges 0 degree to 100 degree. F Fahrenheit, ranging 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Range. K for Kelvin. Here R for rumor scale, C Celsius scale, F Fahrenheit scale, K Kelvin scale, which ranges from 273 Kelvin to 373 Kelvin. We know by proportion. यहाँ proportion गर्ने. यहाँ rumor को के हुन्छ? पहिला लेख्ने rumor लेख्ने -0. Rumor minus lower fixed point, upper fixed point minus lower fixed point equal centigrade को C centigrade scale unknown भयो -0 lower fixed point, इसको 100 to -0 equal Fahrenheit को लागि Fahrenheit minus 32 and upper fixed point 212 minus 32. Kelvin को लागि Kelvin minus lower fixed point 273 and 373 minus 273. यति गरौँ. Rumor minus lower, upper minus lower, centigrade minus lower, centigrade को upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. Fahrenheit को लागि Fahrenheit minus lower fixed point upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. यता Kelvin को लागि Kelvin scale minus 273, upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, or R minus 0 is R. कुनै कुनै किताबमा यतिकै गरेको पनि छ, तर यसलाई सिम्प्लिफाई गर्ने. 80 minus 0 80, C by 100 equal F minus 32 by 180 equal K minus 273 by 100. What is the HCF? यो सबैको HCF हुन्छ 20. यो 80 100 180 110. यसको HCF highest common factor is कति हुन्छ यसको 20. याद गर्नु. यसलाई काट्दा 100 you cannot cut 100 and 100. There 180 there is 80. Cut by the same number 20. केले काट्ने यसलाई 20 ले cut by 20. 20 ले काट्दा 20 into 4, 20 into 5, 20 into 9, 20 into 5. यसरी cut by other cancelling by 20 the HCl. Cancelling by 20. 20 is सबैलाई cut all numbers by the same number, that is highest common factor 20. Now what is the relation? Now I am going to write down the relation among them. The relation is, so the relation is R upon 4 equal C upon 5 equal F minus 32 by 9 equal K minus 273 by 5. This is the most important formula. Reaumur to centigrade, centigrade to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Kelvin. You can change. If one is given, if one scale is given, you can find all other scale. एउटा scale दिएको छ, Reaumur, centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. You can change one scale into three others. एउटाबाट अरु निकाल्न सकिन्छ. Again, what is the relation? R upon 4 equal C upon 5 equal F minus 32 by 9 equal K minus 273 by 5. Proportion. This such a relation is called proportion. This is very similar to A by B, C by D. This is just like ratio and proportion in algebra. Algebra ma ratio and proportion, A by B, C by D, E by F, C by S भने जस्तै R by 4 equal C by 5 equal F minus 32 by 9 equal K minus 273 by 5. This is the most important relation, which is very important to change one scale into other scales. This much for today.